Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Pizza, good evening.
आपकी फोटो बीच में टेढ़ी हो गई थी, अब ठीक है।
Thank you so much.
सर गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, वकील साहब, क्या हाल है?
सर मैं
Pizza,
तो
good evening जी।
मैं तो 5 मिनट
Good
पहला
evening, sir. Good evening.
Absolutely, sir. You are always punctual, sir. वकालत तो फिर एम नहीं होती. You have to be very, very punctual.
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਸਹੀ।
Yes, sir.
मेहता जी गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, sir. Good evening जी।
सर ऑल वेल।
बढ़िया सर, आप सुनाइए।
सब बढ़िया सर, बढ़िया जी बढ़िया। फैमिली में बच्चे सब ठीक है?
गुरसिमरन जी भी आ गए सर।
जी जी
सर गुड इवनिंग। गुरसिमरन जी गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, sir.
टाइम पे शुरू हो गया जी।
Sir, it has to start. Yeah.
सिमरन जी गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
I am Gursimran Singh Oberoi, the Managing Director of Institute of Professional Banking and a Chartered Executive Committee member of Chandigarh Management Association. I am a tool and die engineer, worked for 7 years in various engineering companies before stepping into education sector. As I could clearly visualize the gap between the academia and the industry requirements. So hope all are comfortable now. And this live webinar is being organized by Chandigarh Management Association, CMA, on the topic of selling skills. And for this, we have Professor KDS Bedi as our keynote speaker. Professor KDS Bedi is currently the Vice President of Chandigarh University and also the Executive Committee member of Chandigarh Management Association. Professor Bedi is an expert in soft skills, behavior and sales trainer, and has a glorious history of contributing in the field of training and development across various disciplines. He has a rich experience working with Coca-Cola, Pepsi, as well as Mercedes-Benz. Professor Bedi has been certified as a global sales and merchandising trainer for Microsoft Atlanta and advanced training certification from Mercedes-Benz. We welcome Professor Bedi in this session and would request to pin in the webinar now and start with his valuable inputs on the scaling skills. Good evening, Professor Bedi. Over to you now.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gursimran, and my hearty welcome to all our dear friends, Honorable President CMA, Mr. Manjeev Vora, the esteemed members of the Executive Committee of CMA, all the CMA life and most importantly, all my students. This has been an amazing experience, and I must compliment and congratulate everyone present today for the unprecedented response to this webinar. Well, it is something very, very unique that in spite of all the restrictions, all the fears of COVID happening in last almost 60 days of uncertainty, people have found their valuable time to at least come forward to attend this exciting session on sales. My thanks to not only CMA, but also IPB, Institute of Professional Banking, Chitkara University, and all the people at the back end who have made it possible for us to unite together today evening. Well, I must start with expressing my gratitude by saying that more than 500 applicants or participants have logged into this most exciting session, and how brilliant it is to understand a topic like sales, which is of extreme importance. And I'm so very passionate and so very, interested in sharing my experience, having worked on almost 3.5 decades in this beautiful profession. Well, the first and the foremost thing that I would like to say that, it is not only the students, or for that matter, the young people who need to understand the concept called sales orientation. It is highly applicable to everybody, any forward-looking human being, be it a business owner, a professional, maybe a student or an esteemed academician or whatever. See, it gives you a different perspective towards life. It is such an interesting subject that I think the need for understanding it, and rather at an early stage in life, is so important that we have rather started it as a subject about 7 years back, making it an academic subject of understanding how scientific it is to understand and to take it forward. So this is my introduction, and I would request Mr. Gursimran to maybe ask me certain questions which I can respond. And by the end of this, we would have an interactive session where some of you could also ask me on this topic itself. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we all know that selling is a process which involves efforts, and sales is an outcome. Selling specialists must have knowledge and some skills like probing skills, listening skills, and should be ready to help other person. Also, he or she should have a progressive attitude, not just positive. So, Professor Bedi, can you please guide whether these skills required to be a great salesman can be acquired? I mean, it is a learnable skill, or is it inherited? Over to you, sir.
Thank you once again. I would be using certain slides that I have prepared. And before that, I would like to tell, in response to this question, that no doubt certain people are God gifted by way of a quality, inherent quality, or a DNA quality of being gifted with certain qualities which ultimately prove to be very, very helpful to become a professional salesperson in life. However, it has been proven over the years, thanks to multinational companies like, I have the honor of working in the top 3, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, and Mercedes, which are all 100 years old. Well, they have evolved systems and processes over the years that help you to acquire these skills. Certainly it is a learnable skill. If I may be allowed to use the PPT, please, I would request, yes, starting from the first. Well, this is from this. I just want to shift it to the third slide, please. Control. Well, as I said, it is an inherent characteristic, part of our DNA, inbuilt human trait. See a child who doesn't even speak at this moment, he's only asking for a bottle of milk to his mom, is a trait of selling, making noise. And, there is a need to be highlighted. Similarly, a kid asking for a bike for the first purchase in his life. And a teen, he is proposing to his girlfriend for the first time, probably asking her to accompany him for a date, this is a sign he has to be at his best. He dresses up well, he speaks well, he smells well, and the very way he asks his girlfriend to accompany him for a date is a process of selling. And that is inherent. He's not learned it from anywhere. As an adult, if you ask for the gift of a motorcycle from your dad, probably the way he does, he puts on certain conditions by saying that it is the academic excellence or some performance in sports, so and so forth, that he tries to, sell his quality to just get something that he wants to buy, a motorcycle or a car. These are all the examples of selling skills which are inherent quality. But as I said, over the years, the companies that we have worked, and almost all the multinational companies and the Indian good companies, in the present scenario, this skill has been adjudged as an acquired skill. The very fact that we go to an interview, we appear for an interview, the ability to speak in front of the audience, your body language, your confidence, your public speaking, your oratory skills, your feeling of self-esteem, your looking good in front of others, your killer instinct for your dressing up well. These are all the skills that people have acquired. All the graduating students are made to learn this. How do you appear? How do you introduce yourself? How it starts to carry on with your interview process. How do you define your interests? Everything is part of the acquired training that a person is trained to for skilling. Well, I would also like to go to my previous slide, the first one, before moving on forward. Just first one, sir. Yes. Before I go forward, I want to, since the participants in this exciting webinar are from all the spheres of life, so I want to highlight that who all can benefit from today's sales skill. Well, surprisingly, I would say all the business owners, the entrepreneurs, professionals, be it doctors, engineers, architects, chartered accountants, lawyers. We have Mr. Ajay Sood, one of the renowned lawyers here, a government counsel sitting in front of us, and is part of our CMA. Academicians, professors, faculty, graduating students in particular, other students, scholars, and young folks. So selling does not confine itself only to a limited people who have to actually adopt selling as a profession, but to be a professional in whatever field, be it in your job or in your business or whatever, everybody needs to have or hone these skills. And the next slide that I would like to mention is what are going to be the takeaways by the end of this show, or by the end of this session. We need to understand, anybody who has an idea where he or she wants to grow your business, I would say if you want to increase your income by 3 times, if you want to turn yourself into a magnetic personality or as a human magnet, what it takes to improve your relationships. Nowadays, we are finding it very, very difficult to maintain good relations, be it at your own house, in your peer group, in your professional group, amongst your colleagues, the competitors. If you have profound selling skills, if you have mastered it, probably your relationship management becomes very, very good. If you are stuck in a logjam, if there is negotiation, which you want to find out, win-win situation, how to take certain things forward. Everything is part of selling skills or sales skills, we call it. If you are finding it difficult to convince, convert, or carry forward with your clients, I think you must understand in and out all the sales skills. They will help you to go forward. Next, please. Yes. As I said, when I said this, that they are acquired, they are learnable skills. The very example of writing your resume, it is one page which gives you an impression, which gives your impression, the first impression that the HR fraternity is looking at. It's a short and crisp way of selling yourself. It is simply the example, because we tell people how to prepare their resumes. Interview dress code, the killing dressing sense, looking smart. Your body language is another example. You speak your body before you utter the word, your presence is felt. You convey the message of your presence. And most of the people, there is something called visual impact. There is something called visual selection in the world of, let us say, aviation, in air hostesses and in high profile hospitality industry. Before you utter a word, 70% of the selection mode is already done by looking at you before even you introduce yourself. And that is what is a visual impact. And sales teaches you that. The way you open up your talk in front of a panel is another example of sales learning. And these are some of the examples that I've given you. Well, I would like to compare. Well, I started my career in the sales industry about 35 years back. And there is a sharp contrast between what it used to be earlier and what is it now. In the past, it was not taken too professional, this career or the sales concept or whatever. People usually were identified as being too pushy. There were examples of insurance type people selling. There could be certain negative terms also, like cheating, agents, mediators, commissions, and so forth. But once again, thanks to companies like Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Mercedes-Benz, and most of the Fortune 500 companies, where this process has evolved over more than 100 years. And what has happened that, please, a slide before. Yes, presently selling has been taken as highly scientific. The most important thing is about understanding the need analysis. There is a concept of need analysis. If I have to sell a car and I understand the need of my customer properly, I should know whether I have to sell him a Maruti 800 or a Mercedes-Benz which starts from 45 lakhs. Unless I understand the need of my customer, unless I understand the need of my customer, unless the proper need analysis is done, I cannot proceed further. There is a word called customer delight. Gone are the times when we used to say that customer is very happy. Is the time when we have to create ways and means to create customer delight. The present salespeople are more knowledgeable. They are a source of new information. They know how to carry fab element, features, advantages, and benefits. They are sought after by the people. Just imagine if I have to buy a car worth 10 lakhs today, can I just do it without a sales expert? I need to know the product features, new product launches. And this is how the information, everybody is, before one invests into any purchase, people are looking into this. And that is the time when 35 years from the time we started, this is the time when sales is at the peak, and getting right people is the right challenge. And this is what we are discussing today. Thank you. Next. Can we have the next slide? Yes. There is something that I talk about, feel good factor. Just imagine how you feel when you are made to feel special. You know, when you're welcomed so well that you feel special, entering a showroom, entering a car dealership, entering a mall, entering a college or a university, entering a classroom. When you feel special, what you feel when you are greeted warmly by someone, making you feel special again. When you are helped sincerely to get your needs and choices fulfilled. When you are attended to by a knowledgeable and well-behaved professional. When you are facilitated to make an informed decision. You are carrying 10 lakhs of rupees in your pocket. Ajay, had there been no COVID, just imagine. Let me speak something in Punjabi also. Vaisakhi wale dina to baad na, there is big purchase because jat kol paise bade aa jande ne. Oh Bathinde to aanda hai, apni pant ch 3 lakh rupees pa ke lianda hai. Kehda chalo Chandigarh ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਘੁਮਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਨੇ, ਆਪਣੀ ਜਨਾਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਘੁਮਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਨੇ, and let us make purchase, ਨਵੇਂ ਸੂਟ, ਨਵੇਂ ਜੁੱਤੀਆਂ, ਇਹ 3-3 ਲੱਖ 4-4 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਏ ਜੇ ਖਰਚਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੇਟ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵਧੀਆ, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਹਸ਼ ਪਪੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਲੈਣੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਬਾਟਾ ਦੇ ਕੰਫਰਟ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ. Thanked enough for the purchases or the visits that you make. This is something called delight. This is what I call feel good factor. है ना, when you have 1 crore रुपया लेके तुसी Mercedes E-Class खरीदन जा रहे हो, you walk into the showroom of a Mercedes Benz, the kind of pride, the kind of experience, the kind of pleasure, the kind of music, the kind of cake which is cut, the kind of sofa that you are supposed to sit on, and the kind of coffee that you will drink there is an amazing experience to feel. That is what is called feel good factor. Next. My question to you all. This is the way to identify. Aren't salespeople different? Ask yourself a question. And the answer would be yes, they are. They look different. They talk differently. And they behave differently. And how do they do it? We will show you. Yes, next. Salespeople are different. There was a slide which caught my eye. And it said, they laugh at me because I am different. I laugh at them because they are all the same. The golden egg. Kamau put. Punjabi ch kehte kamau put. Sab nu changa lagda. The father, if he has got 4 sons, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਕਮਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੇਲਸ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਆ ਗਏ, you know, he calls him, yaar, well done son, you are the kamau putt. You know, this is how sales people are treated. Next. देखो sales वाਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ना, they look different. When I say they look different, which one do you think is a salesperson out of the 3? How do you feel? The first one in the t-shirt without open buttons is probably thinking of enjoying beer in the club in the evening. And jehda dooja hai tija, sorry, white t-shirt wala, oh shayad apni girlfriend nu milan ja raha hai gedi route te, motorcycle te. Aur jehda vichla hai, wo bechara sales call te unne appointment ditti hui hai 11 baje. 11 baje di सरदार गुरप्रीत सिंह जी ਨੂੰ आईबीपी ਦੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਮਿਲਣ ਆਉਂਗਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੈਂਕ ਦੀ ਨੌਕਰੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਟਾਈ ਟੂਈ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਰਿਹਾ, ਸਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਸਿਖਾਓ ਜੀ. This is a salesperson. Now, farak dekh lo tusi. Look at the difference. And that is why we sell. And that is why we say they look different. Next. When I say sales is an acquired skill, this statement makes all the difference. Which I want to highlight here. Knowledge decides what to say. Sales skill decides how to say. Sales training decides how much to say. Sales mastery decides whether to say or not. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਵਕੀਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ। ਵਕੀਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅਜੇ ਸੂਦ ਜੀ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਜੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕਈ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ। It is all a matter of your decision, which you have learned over the years. You have mastered. This is my take on acquiring sales.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great insights. One thing I have seen that human mind always need an expansion. Man went to moon, then to Mars. Now they are targeting Jupiter. So we have seen that selling, always everybody want to sell. We have also seen that the people who are and the organization who are selling peace, satisfaction, like Art of Living, Brahma Kumaris, they are also expanding to more and more countries. So the ultimate need of a human mind is expansion. Expansion with a good pace you can do only when you have better selling skills. So we can have better selling skills, larger the expansion, and better will be our financial status. So Professor Bedi, can you please show some light whether the sales orientation help people to grow their businesses? Whether it is so, the sales orientation help to grow their businesses?
Yes.
Over to you, sir.
Thank you once again, Gursimranji. It's a very, very interesting question that you've asked me. Well, my take on this would be that human existence, if it is to be understood correctly, zindagi ek baar milni hai ji, na milegi dobara. It has to be lived well. And I have worked in certain very good environment. You know, my understanding is that it has to be lived like king size. You know, it has to be lived well. My context of answering this question would also be when we were working in Mercedes, we were trained, we were fine-tuned to tell people that they should empower themselves. They should have so much of confidence that they should be able to sign a check in their lifetime once to buy a Mercedes Benz, which is probably the best car on the planet today. That God has made you all equal and God wants you to succeed. But then, you know, you got to empower. There is an ability that you need to create in yourself, that you should have that power to sign that check which can buy you the best, be it Mercedes or the best house that you want or to wish to live, or the best exotic holiday that you want to go. That is something that you need to enjoy in this lifespan. And the answer to this is again, your existence. Anybody with a positive or a forward-looking mind would like to expand in business, in profession, in qualification, in confidence, whatever. You always look at the next step. You know, an advocate wants to become a senior advocate. A high court judge would like to become a Supreme Court judge. A professional businessman from 500 crores to 10,000 crores. And that is the human hunger, the ability to live well. Even Sri Ji, Guru Ji also, starting from India, now to 162 countries in the world, opening his ashrams. You know, there is a reward and recognition. Other than the money, these are the two words. There is recognition. You may not be expanding for want of money. There is a level up to which you can enjoy money. But beyond that, it is reward and recognition, the human, the hierarchical need of the pyramid. And therefore, selling helps you do that. Selling skills make it happen for you. They facilitate, because it is a learning. I think it is a part of personality development. I have made a slide in the end. Probably I will take you through. My take on this, so intense is my passion for sales, that I want that it should be part of the curriculum. We are not only talking about people who would be choosing sales as a profession, but also for engineers, for doctors, for lawyers, for army officers, for faculty. There is a module of sales orientation which needs to run, probably with few credits, which we have pioneered in Chitkara University at Sales College about 7 years back. Now, the spirit of human existence is social enterprise. My answer, my direct answer to your question, when you say that you need to expand, you need to grow, the human spirit, the human enterprise, social impact of people is to expand. And that is, these are the three most important pillars of sales management, I would call it. First is, you wrote down, first is social enterprise. Number two is entrepreneurship. And number three is innovation. Please note these three words. Salesmanship cannot work without these three tripods of characteristics. I will give you example by each. Entrepreneurship has been brought into academia just recently, about 4 or 5 years back. All the universities are, because people are feeling that they cannot be employed. All the young people in the country, 65% of the population in this country, demographic dividend, young people under the age of 35 cannot be employed everywhere. And therefore, the topic, the noise of entrepreneurship has become very loud. And now people want to create jobs, or rather they want people to help create jobs and to become entrepreneurs. That is the need of a country like India and China, most populous. But entrepreneurship is there in existence for times immemorial. I will give you an example. Mr. Passi, the one who is the owner of Pasco Motors, he has got 65 dealerships across the country of Maruti, including one at Chandigarh also. During partition in 1947, he was thrown out of Lahore and he boarded a truck by taking lift from a Hindu gentleman and got down at Karnal. First few days of his existence in Karnal in 1947, he wanted to make his both ends meet and started washing that same truck that he was brought to Karnal. And that spirit of entrepreneurship started from washing trucks to driving trucks to taking trucks on loan, to run dealerships of trucks, and now he is the biggest dealer of Tata Motors in the country today in less than 70 years. That is the example, true example of entrepreneurship. If I talk about Punjabi community, you will see 3 times they were abandoned. They were rather, they were made to struggle. 47, 1984. And so many times again, people were uprooted that they would not mind starting from a very, very humble. वो केले बेच लेंगे top quality के. वो कुछ भी छोटा मोटा काम कर लेंगे. But that entrepreneurship is there in the blood of people, and as a result, they are millionaires today. They are the big businessmen of the world today, and that is the spirit of entrepreneurship, and that is the inherent quality of sales. Social enterprise, helping people, and innovation. Innovation, without innovation, if you do not innovate, probably you cannot be a successful salesman. If you cannot innovate, your management excellence is not possible. I will give you an example of innovation in my own career. Next slide, please. Innovation at Coca-Cola. I remember the time 1995. Coca-Cola was looking at saturation in peaks. हमने देखा पंजाब में 80% कोक बिक रहा है against 20% of Pepsi. But then there was saturation in the towns. But there was so much of sales pressure from the seniors that we were forced to think about, there was something called conventional outlets vis-a-vis non-conventional outlets. An example, conventional outlets कौन से होते थे? जो पान बीड़ी शॉप होती थी या कोई भी अपना बेकरी शॉप होती थी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक की शॉप होती थी, होटल्स होते थे, रेस्टोरेंट्स होते थे. they were all conventional shops. मगर जब प्रेशर आया तो हमने इनोवेट किया. तो नॉन कन्वेंशनल किसको देखा? यार फ्रिज होता है तो केमिस्ट के पास हमेशा फ्रिज होता है, क्योंकि कोका कोला बिकता ठंडा है. ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला, और फ्रिज में अगर 10 बोतलें केमिस्ट के रख दें तो कोका कोला बिकना शुरू हो जाएगा. That was a non-conventional outlet. Similarly, petrol pumps. बंदा पेट्रोल भरवाता है, बच्चा साथ में होता है, कहता है पापा कोका कोला पीना है. वहां पे हमने अपनी फ्रिज रख दिया. नॉन कन्वेंशनल कोका कोला आउटलेट्स. ट्रैफिक लाइट्स, वेंडिंग जोन्स, जहां पे भी बस खड़ती थी उसके पास एक छोटा सा वीजी कूलर था या छोटा सा आइस बॉक्स था, वो उसमें से निकाल के 5 बोतलें बेच देता था. होम डिलीवरी, रूरल पेनिट्रेशन, ढाबा एक्टिवेशन. These were all the innovative ideas working at Coca-Cola in the year 1995, where I was I was heading the sales team then. तो sales हो ही नहीं सकती अगर आपके पास innovation ना हो. Next. Brand. तो ये सर चीजें basically I am coming now के characteristic या ये traits कौन से ऐसे हैं जो sales के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, sales skills में होने जरूरी है. There is something called, sales people are, apart from जो मैंने कहा कि देखना अच्छा लगना चाहिए, उनको स्मार्ट, उनको इवन स्मेलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, वो तो चीजें आउटलुक के ऊपर है, सिर्फ फ्रंट ऑब्जर्वेशन के ऊपर है. एक चीज जो सेल्स वालों की देखी गई है, जो स्किल का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है, दे बिलीव इन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, बिलीव इन अनाउंसिंग, अवेयरनेस, creating displays, making noise. They are a bit loud, no doubt, because they have to be extroverts. है कोई बंदा इंट्रोवर्ट है ना, कोई बंदा जिसको बात करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, उसको सेल में मत ज्वाइन करने. उसको बोलो तू अकाउंट्स में चला जाए यार, बैंक में जाकर बैक एंड में फाइनेंस के नोट गिनता रहे. But if you have to meet people, if you have to come in front, probably your speaking skills, your oratory, your extrovert nature matters a lot, and that is what has been shown here. And they believe in display. They say जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. आपने हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर की एग्जांपल अगर मैं दूं, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में सबसे बड़ी, या आईटीसी की एग्जांपल दूं, या कोका कोला की एग्जांपल में दूं, तो ये बहुत सी चीजें अपनी डिस्प्ले के ऊपर, विंडो डिस्प्ले के ऊपर लाखों रुपया खर्च देते हैं. ये ग्लो साइड बोर्ड के ऊपर, बिकॉज दे वांट टू अनाउंस, दे वांट टू मेक सर्टेन थिंग्स पब्लिक. और ये चीज मैं ये बहुत चीज जरूरी यहां पे समझता हूं कि जैसे कि एक डॉक्टर चाहे वो अपनी कोर स्किल में जितना मर्जी बड़ा हो, you know, we have the best of neurosurgeon, let us say. He is the best in his core field. You have the best of architects. Unless they have that skill of dealing with people, making their awareness allowed, you know, then success may not touch them to that level. एक एग्जाम्पल भी था, एक उड़ीसा में एक न्यूरो सर्जन था, अमेरिका से आया, उसने किसी गांव में जाके अपनी क्लिनिक की, but he was good in his skill as a neurosurgeon. He never even put a board outside his clinic कि वो न्यूरोसर्जन है और ये उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन है. उसी शहर में एक बच्चा था which was wanting treatment for epilepsy. Just because the awareness was not created, there was no connect. वो बच्चे को पता ही नहीं लगा कि इतना बड़ा अमेरिका रिटर्न्ड न्यूरोसर्जन शहर में आया, रौड़किला टाउन में आया हुआ है, और इधर बच्चे को नहीं पता, उधर डॉक्टर को नहीं पता कि कोई ऐसा पेशेंट है. There was a disconnect. There was no connect in between. As a result, the child lost his life. And doctor ki skill useless because he did not display, he did not make noise, he did not announce his presence. And that is what sales teaches you. So that is very, very important aspect. सबसे next important जो sales की quality है, that is people skill. इसके ऊपर मैं बहुत ध्यान देना चाहता हूं. People skill, पंजाबी च कहते ने ढिड च वड़ जाना. All my Punjabi friends would say connecting well. You know, किसी के साथ connect कैसे well करना है. फर्क ये है, बच्चा छोटा है, दूध नहीं पी रहा, फादर कहता है कि अगर दूध नहीं पिएगा तो चपेट पड़ेगी या डंडा पड़ेगा, बच्चा और डर जाता है. और कभी कभी उसको कहता है तेरे को पता नहीं कि 50 रुपए किलो दूध है, तेरे को कमाना नहीं पड़ता. दूसरी तरफ मां है, she connects well with a child. She says कि बेटा दूध पी ले, सचिन बनेगा. You know, you will play cricket, you will be the captain of the team, your bones will grow stronger. This is connecting well with the people. ये अगर स्किल किसी की भी नहीं है, people skill, therefore ये चीज होनी बहुत जरूरी है. ये हम सिखाते हैं बच्चे को क्या कहना है, कैसे कहना है, कैसे विन विन सिचुएशन, कैसे कनेक्ट करना है. एंड यू हैव टू हैव अ मोस्ट फ्रेंडली अप्रोच. मैन मैनेजमेंट, ये जो फौजी लोग होते हैं ना, 30-35 साल की नौकरी करके ये मैन मैनेजमेंट इनमें बहुत टॉप की आ जाती है. ये अपनी रेजिमेंट में जो जितना भी परिवार, एक 1500 बंदा है या 2000 बंदा, they live so well, they die for one another. They have that feeling. And that man management करना बहुत जरूरी है. People should feel for you. Relationship management, understanding the perspective from others' point of view. दूसरा क्या कर रहा है, ये 6 है कि 9 है. What is it? Am I looking into it as a 6 or 9? Next. Something very important, focus. Sir, sales के साथ anonymous और synonymous अगर words हम देखें, तो sales is synonymous with passion, enthusiasm, focus. मैं अगर if there's an appointment fixed as a sales executive, what is my plight? I got to make a deadly presentation in front of somebody. I need to be focused. Time is very, वो जो medical sales representative होते हैं, काफी आज हमारे MBA फार्मा के भी चिटकारा यूनिवर्सिटी के लॉकडाउन है, उनको 1 मिनट मिलता है, less than 1 minute they get in the doctor's chamber and they have to introduce a new drug. They are not even given the courtesy to sit. वो कैसे 1 मिनट में कैसे डिस्प्ले करना है अपना एटिकेट्स, अपना बिहेवियर, अपना टच, अपना नया प्रोडक्ट, अपना अपना डिस्प्ले, क्या बोलते हैं उसका, डिस्प्ले का जो उनका कार्ड है नया, वो उसने सैंपल भी रखना है, उसने उसकी लीव बिहाइंड कार्ड भी रखना है. दिस इज लेजर फोकस, attention to minutest detail. They are made perfect. Unki knowledge is tested. They cannot bluff. They are addressing to the white collar. Even doctor is knowing everything कि इसकी knowledge है कि नहीं, इसको बाहर निकाल देगा अगर नहीं. So sales वाले बंदे तैयारी करते हैं, focus करते हैं और इस चीज को present करते हैं. They have the fantastic presentation skills. अगले पॉइंट पे आ रहा. Next. Presentation skills, that is communication. और अगर आपकी communication जो हमने presentation skills आजकल सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, speaking in front of the audience, speaking with confidence to in front of your class, public speaking skills, clear and concrete thinking, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete and courteous way of definition, presentation skills. ये भी अगर स्किल किसी की ना डेवलप हो एक सेल्स वाले की, I believe nothing can be done in the interest for well-being. अगर presentation skills और communications की मेरा वर्ड है मास्टरी ना हो जाए. And I have displayed by way of my PPT also. Next. Part of presentation skills. Presentation के बाद अगर एक मास्टर सेल्समैन है, उसको एक हम चीज पढ़ाते हैं, फीचर्स, एडवांटेजेस एंड बेनिफिट्स. This is called FAB. This is a term which is very much prevalent. ये रटा देते हैं हम सेल्स वालों को. Features, advantages and benefits. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट और प्रोसेस और कोई भी प्रोडक्ट और कोई भी चीज हमने सेल करनी है, उसका फीचर्स, उसके एडवांटेजेस, उसके बेनिफिट्स, इसको क्लियरली डिफाइन, उसकी डेमो देते हैं ताकि बंदे को, उसको अगर मैंने कार बेचनी है तो मैं टेस्ट ड्राइव पे बिठाता हूं अपनी गाड़ी वाले को. सर कम, दिस इज द की, कम एंड सिट ऑन द ड्राइवर सीट, एंजॉय, टच एंड फील, सी द पावर स्टीयरिंग. ये फीचर है सर, इट हैज अ पावर स्टीयरिंग. दैट इज द फीचर. व्हाट इज इट्स एडवांटेज? एडवांटेज इज कि हवा के माफिक, मलाई के माफिक ये घूमता है. ऐसे आप गाने भी सुन रहे हो, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो और ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहा है जैसे पता नहीं सॉफ्ट टच कर रहे हो हाथ में. ये इसका फीचर है, ये एडवांटेज है. और बेनिफिट के you enjoy the drive. This is the benefit of the power steering. बैठे बैठे आप एक हाथ से ही गाड़ी चला रहे हो, unlike like a truck. और ट्रक ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ, पूरा जोर ही लग ਜਾਂਦਾ कमांड. These are the things. Negotiation. आजकल सर लोग नेगोशिएशन पे फंसे हुए हैं. हर एक कोई अपना सोच रहा है कि सर मेरा बेनिफिट हो जाए, दूसरे बंदे का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखते ही नहीं है. हम सेल्स स्किल कहती है कि हाउ टू नेगोशिएट. थोड़ा सा आप आगे बढ़ो, थोड़ा सा अगला आगे बढ़े, बीच में विन विन सिचुएशन. उसको अपने फायदे दिखाओ, अपने अपने फायदे दिखो दूसरी की तरफ से, एंड नेगोशिएट. जहां पे अड़ गया, आज 60% ऑफ द पीपल इन बिजनेस आर स्ट्रक बाय नेगोशिएशन. बंदे को सही रेट नहीं मिल रहा, सही टाइम पे डिलीवरी नहीं हो रही. And that is how negotiation is another very important sales skill. Next. Live life king size. ये एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रेट है सेल्स वालों का. मैंने अपनी 35 साल की जिंदगी में जो देखा है, ये सेल्स वालों का हंगर बहुत है. एक तो नोट कमाने की भूख बहुत है इनको. We call it, इसको ग्रीड नहीं कहेंगे, इसको हंगर और एपिटाइट कहेंगे. Greater money, travel, new destination, exotic holidays. हम दो तरह के बंदे हैं. एक बंदा कहता है जी कि यार जितनी कमाई आ रही है अपना खर्चना का दायरा छोटा कर लो. कमाई 100 रुपए आ रही है और अपना खर्चने का दायरा 70 रुपए कर लो. हमारे बुजुर्ग ऐसे कहते थे। मगर सेल्स वाले कहते हैं कि अगर अगर खर्चने का दायरा 100 है तो कमाई का 300 कर लो। ये फर्क है, पर्सपेक्टिव का फर्क है। दिस इज हाउ वी लुक एट इट। नेक्स्ट।
Sir, the book you have told us, told me around a year back. It was Shiv Khera's book where I read that 3 P's are necessary for a salesman. First is people skills, then is persuasion skills, then is prioritizing skills. So that book gave me immense knowledge also. So personally, I would recommend everybody to read a book by Joe Girard. He was awarded as the world's greatest salesman by Guinness Book of World Record for the book How to Sell Anything to Anybody. So he sold 13,000 Chevrolet cars in just 15 years. So his story is also much inspiring. So I recommend this book by Joe Girard, How to Sell Anything to Anybody. So Professor Bedi, the last question I want to discuss with you is that most of the CEOs we have seen are the sales people. Even the Fortune 500 companies, most of them, 90% of the CEOs are the salesperson. So can you please enlighten on this? Why exactly it is like that?
Yes. Thank you, sir. Something very, very interesting to observe, as you rightly pointed out. Fortune 500 companies, if you analyze, the 90% of their CEOs come from sales background. And that, of course, the very fact we are very proud to be in this profession once again, because we get a lot of inspiration and motivation to see the success stories of such CEOs. See, their perspective of running the business. See, basically also, if you see, multinational is nothing but a well-managed way of conducting business. Management teaches you all. ये जितनी भी मैनेजमेंट की स्टडी है, चाहे वो हम इसमें डॉक्टरेट कर रहे हैं या मैनेजमेंट के फाइनेंशियल प्रिंसिपल्स या मार्केटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स देख रहे हैं, everything is ultimately profit. And we are discussing business, and to do business in a right perspective through the right management processes is the ultimate. And ये जो sales के gives you so much of exposure, gives you so much of experience at such young, because they sir, they have burnt the midnight oil. They have seen the hardships. And very few of them were in the initial 20 years of their lives. They were all outside in the burning temperature, in the rigorous conditions. And they were not sitting in the ACs or in the air-conditioned chambers like accounts people or the back-end people or something like that. So they have seen life from a very close perspective. They have dealt with people through a hard way. And I would say that rejection, sales का एक और बड़ा फंडा सर मैं भूल गया था बीच में, rejection. कोई टाइम तो जिंदगी का ऐसा भी आता है 10 कॉल्स के पीछे 9 रिजेक्शन होती हैं सर. When it is you know, मतलब कि इंश्योरेंस में तो और भी 20 कॉल्स के बाद एक कॉल आपको मिलती है. The rate of rejection is so high, and that makes you toughened, that makes you tough. And that exposure gives you a lot of confidence. You understand the economic perspective, you understand the social perspective, you understand the consumer perspective. ये उसको अच्छा लगेगा प्रोडक्ट, नहीं प्राइस उसको ठीक है. 3 A's हमको सिखाए गए थे कोका कोला में. एक था acceptability, affordability and availability. अगर ये 3 चीजें मैच हो जाती हैं तो परचेज हो जाती है सर. And ability, opportunity and mindset, ये triangle है success का, which is also important. So मैंने three P's highlight किए हैं: passion, purpose and persistence. That is the reason. उनका जो passion है sales का, it takes them to far off places. The very purpose of making success. Okay, we got to succeed. There is no way out. We will not abandon in between. And persistence. हमने कोका कोला की सेल करनी थी, 2-digit सेल बढ़ानी थी, चाहे हमने मोड कन्वेंशनल से नॉन कन्वेंशनल मार्केट ढूंढनी शुरू कर दी. होम डिलीवरी, गांव में चले गए, 5000 की पॉपुलेशन है, वहां पे एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, हब एंड स्पोक मॉडल बना दिया, एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बना दिया. देखा शहरों में लोग बहुत पीते हैं, गांव में नहीं पी रहे थे उस टाइम. 20 साल पहले हम गांव में घुस गए जहां पे भी 5000 की पॉपुलेशन थी. ग्रोसरी, लेडी ग्रोसरी स्टोर में जाती है, उस टाइम मॉल नहीं थे, उस टाइम बनिया शॉप होती थी, लाला जी की किराने की दुकान. हमने 2 लीटर का पैक शुरू कर दिया. ग्रोसरी खरीद रही है, 1000 रुपए का राशन खरीद रही है लेडी, उसको बोला 2 बोतलें भी डाल दे, फ्रिज में रख दूंगी, बच्चों को पिलाऊंगी. These persistence हमने करना है. And for that persistence, 3 P's, we have 3 C's: choices that we make, chances that we take, and changes that we encounter. So that is the very reason that 90% of the people from sales become the CEOs of the top companies, be it multinationals or India. Next slide, please. Pioneer, sir, last point. Selling एक प्रोफेशन था, मगर हमने चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी में सेल्स को एक फॉर्मल एजुकेशन का रूप दे दिया. We have opened a college of sales and marketing. It is an only academy where people in retail, pharma, automotive and BFSI are being trained. We have introduced 4 credits for sales excellence program in our management, engineering, hospitality and media programs. US Army में डिसिप्लिन को बढ़ाने के लिए बच्चों को 3 साल की ट्रेनिंग देते हैं कॉलेज टाइम पे. हमने सोचा है कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इसको एक हिंदुस्तान में पहली इंस्टीट्यूट है जहां पे सेल्स को एक सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे इसको लिया गया है, मेकिंग इट अ फॉर्मल एजुकेशन एट चितकारा कॉलेज ऑफ सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. एंड बिफोर आई एंड, इट इज 5 minutes, it's 5 minutes by my watch to 6. अगर 5 किताबें अगर सेल्स के ऊपर जिंदगी में नहीं पढ़ी आपने, जिनका नाम मैंने लिखा हुआ है, थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच बाय नेपोलियन हिल, एडवांस सेलिंग स्ट्रेटजी बाय ब्रायन ट्रेसी, एंड अनदर बुक बाय ब्रायन ट्रेसी, द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ सेलिंग, द आर्ट ऑफ क्लोजिंग सेल, एंड द लास्ट वन. अगर ये 5 किताबें नहीं पढ़ी जिंदगी में किसी ने, उसको सेल्स की ट्रेनिंग समझ लो उसकी शुरू नहीं हुई. द फर्स्ट स्टेप, द फर्स्ट रंग टू योर सेल्स ट्रेनिंग और सेल्स ओरिएंटेशन और सेल्स मास्टरी is reading these 5 books, and then sky is the limit. Thank you very much. Pleasure indeed. Once again, thank you, Vora ji. Thank you, Gursimran ji, all the esteemed CMA members, the faculty, staff, and my seniors at Chitkara University, and all the friends and students in particular for the wonderful audience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Bedi, for this wonderful session. I hope everybody has learned a lot from today's session. Let me have a quick question and answer round with Professor Bedi. So there is one question from Mr. Atul Sharma. He wants to know that everybody knows selling is a very effective concept in terms of business or entrepreneurship. So I would like to know how selling would impact the business scenario post-COVID, and how to pitch and short pitch as far as selling concept is concerned, and how COVID would change the working style of corporates taking selling into consideration. Please give a brief reply, Bedi sir.
Yes. Well, thank you very much for asking such a fantastic question here, most relevant at this present time. Well, my take is, I just want to mention that first is that, you should have confidence. This is a very, very trying and testing time for all, including me. You know, it is, as I said, it is an unprecedented, unparalleled time. But all the more important for everybody to be एक ही चीज का शुक्राना करो कि हमारी जान बच गई है। पहली बात तो वी शुड बी थैंकफुल टू ऑलमाइटी कि हमारी जान बच गई है, हम जीवित हैं, और अगर जान है तो जहान है। और उसके बाद कामयाबी को आगे लेकर जाने के लिए वी गॉट टू बी लिटिल मोर, you know, how you aggressive. I put it this way. When I say more aggressive, we have to be more innovative. We have to think of areas. आज जो चीज हो रही है, हम 500 बंदों की रजिस्ट्रेशन के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, is innovation. 2 महीने पहले this was not possible. कि so many people could get together on the webinar itself. This is a part of all innovation. And similarly, entrepreneurship में भी आज की डेट में देखना, at the age of 56, I am thinking and exploring areas of entrepreneurship. How can I take my skills to a larger audience? Geographical areas कैसे मैं expand कर सकता हूँ? कैसे मैं ऐसे webinar Western world में लेकर जा सकता हूँ जो मेरे पास हैं? ये कैसे हम cross cultural exchange कर सकते हैं? So all that requires is more of focus, more of thinking, more of interaction with like-minded people. You read good books. I will give you a list of 100 books on challenges. It is not the first time that mankind is seeing misery or pandemic. There are many we have overcome in the past as well. But interacting, मिलना, लोग आज 500 बंदों को अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, there is a purpose, there is a passion, there is something that we are talking interesting. और इसको explore करो, books पढ़ो, अच्छे seminars करो, take the help of your faculty, call us, and we will help you think positive and think forward. This is how things should be.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for answering the question. I personally learned a lot from you today. We have our very senior chartered accountant and vice president and general secretary of the Chandigarh Management Association, CA Umakant Mehta. I request him to conclude the session with his remarks. Over to Mr. Umakant Mehta.
Thank you, Gursimran ji. Thank you, Gursimran ji. It was indeed very pleasant to listen to Mr. Bedi. He has very easily explained all the nitty-gritties of salesmanship. Sales is a very difficult task, and once sales are taken care of, any organization can grow in today's world. So the positivity he has told about the salesman, about the sales team is very good. After 20 or 30 odd unsuccessful attempts, they are making one sales pitch, and that too, once you are going to incur an expenditure of rupees 100, and the sales team says you have to buy, you have to earn 300 rupees. This is a great positivity. And sir, your talks were very enlightening, and I think every member must have enjoyed and must be feeling enriched by your talks. I am very thankful to you for your time you have devoted to CMA for these talks. I am very thankful to Mr. Gursimran Singh ji, who has made his wholehearted effort to make this event a successful one. I am very thankful to all the participants and CMA for organizing such a wonderful talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. The pleasure is mine, and we are so happy to be all together. Thank you so much.
Gursimran, can I add few words, please?
You are Mr. Manjeev Vora.
Yes, please.
Oh, sorry, I can't see you online, so I requested CA Umakant Mehta. I request our worthy president, Mr. Manjeev Vora, who is the present president. We are very honored he is here with us to share his and enlighten his views about this seminar today and tell us more about the Chandigarh Management Association.
Dear esteemed CMA and EC members and other invitees, I'm very grateful to all of you for sparing your valuable time in favor of Chandigarh Management Association. Without taking much time on COVID-19, which is cause of worry, and I feel worry is a total waste of time. It does not change anything. All it does is steal your joy and keep you busy doing nothing. Today's program was part of our continuous learning series and first online. We wanted to explore our CMA hidden talent and requested for our keynote speaker, Professor KDS Bedi, Vice President Chitkara University, and Gursimran Ji, Founder and MD of Institute of Professional Banking. I thank you, Mr. Bedi, for sharing your valuable innovative experience, and members certainly enjoyed the program, which was very useful, enlightening, and with your knowledge, engage the member throughout the session. I feel and add the survival will ultimately depend on resilience, agility, and innovation. Gursimran Ji, I once again thank you for organizing the conference, and certainly will come out in more such inline sessions in the future. You can contact us for the CMA membership at .org.in. I really thank you all for your wonderful session, and Professor Bedi, I really thank you for your enlightening talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manjeev ji. I'm so grateful for your concluding remarks. We are rather extremely happy. Probably the gratitude cannot be expressed in the right words to say that it's a fantastic platform that you have provided us on CMA, and Chandigarh Management Association will continue to do such yeoman service for the excellence of management delivery all across. And I would request the students at Chitkara University, other universities who are participating, to become the student members of the local chapter of Chandigarh Management Association. And in future, we are going to do many such programs to enlighten and to empower students for their management and sales skills. Thank you once again. Bye-bye.
Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank
We
you,
want to
Gursimran.
And hope to you see in the next exciting meeting. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Energetic. It is our next time live.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
We will invite the live session.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Tutsa, thank you.
Next session live session. और वधिया करांगे.
Sure.